Hello everyone, thanks for joining me. Pomegranate Update 2025. This is my Eversweet pomegranate, which is very much the perfect name. It's just a sweet pomegranate with no acid. And the amazing thing is people who sometimes don't enjoy pomegranates will love this one, because pomegranates that they usually try are just tart, but not this one. This is just a nice sweet flavor, and I have a hard time giving these away because my wife wants me to save them for the kids, which I do, because they love them. And they don't like pomegranates in general. They don't like the wonderful. I do. But this is a great one for people who have different taste. If you don't like tart ones, that's the one for you. If you have kids, that's the one for you. Here's my Dessertnyi, which I enjoy. This one does have acid and is sweet and sour. Quite a combination. One of my favorites for flavor. You can see right here. And here's one on the ground that fell off and popped open. This one is ready very early. Sometimes, if it's a hot summer, they will be ready in August. And let me show you these over here. You can see back here there's more Eversweet. And then in the back over there you can see another pomegranate. That's my Parfianka. If you look here, you can see how close they are together. See, they're about 4 feet apart. That's the Eversweet. That's the Dessertnyi. And over here is the Parfianka. So it's like one big bush. And look at the fruit and the production of the Parfianka. Now, does it get any better than this? Every year my Parfianka produces like this. It's just an extremely heavily productive tree, and it's the one I would recommend if you were only going to grow one. Why would you go with one that isn't extremely productive? I mean, I think that's true for any fruit tree. Flavor is one piece of the puzzle, but if you're gonna grow something, you don't want to grow a fruit tree and then have to go buy fruit, especially if it's the same type of fruit. It's like when you grow something, you want to have that area covered. Look at this one here, these Parfiankas. And what's interesting about the fruit is lately I've been getting beetles, but the skin is so hard it doesn't matter. So I don't even worry about it. I mean, little critters, when you have fruit trees, they're gonna come on 4 legs or with wings, or insects, and they're gonna try to get a piece of the pie. And I've got so many, especially this Parfianka. I mean, just look at it. It's like I don't really worry about it. Look at some of them that look like they're splitting, so I should start eating them. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe, and I'll do an update every year. And feel free to ask me some questions, because I like learning about pomegranates and sharing. What is your favorite pomegranate? Thanks for watching. Again, please like and subscribe. And have a great day.